YouTubers, how are you? Guys, I have an incredible video for you today. This video is dedicated to the YouTube creators that have problems on their videos that are blocked. So guys, I made a discovery on YouTube how to blur your video online and actually save it, because you know when you get a notice of copyright content in your video by WMG or UMG. I will make a perfect example for you. Let's say I have a TV in my back, I present the TV, but in this time it shows Mariah Carey on the background on the TV channel. Even if I don't reveal or show to you the TV channel and I present the TV to you, well, the UMG will say that I copy or I give that channel to you. So guys, this organization actually blocked a video of mine that had 700,000 or something, 800,000, and I found a small breach on YouTube that will let you blur online the video and make it 100% copyright legal, and then you can actually save this blur or your work. Until this video you cannot do this. I tried to blur it online and save it, but it saves another video. It doesn't save your work to the actual video. It saves a new video. So I don't know what happened that YouTube change this problem. When you get the copyright strike, you have two possibilities: to remove the segment, the entire segment, or this is the second possibility of mine that I offered to you. The idea is to blur the entire segment and not remove it. So for me it's not fair to re-upload the video, because you will not get the number of views and the position of the video in YouTube. So this is not fair. Well, if you are a fair person and you did all the blurring in the video and the video is 100% legal, well, I'm gonna show you the trick, guys. And please be fair to YouTube, be correct in your videos, apply my trick and it will work 100%. This is an incredible idea that I discovered this. I don't know if on YouTube there are some other explanation of this. I didn't search, but I want to help you creators this video. So this video is for the creators, because I know there are a lot of people, hard-working people, that are not copying those ideas. Even you get your video down from these organizations, this is not fair. The High Technology Reviews has hundreds of videos taken entirely and uploaded on other people's channels, making money, and we immediately close their videos and in some cases their channels. But there are also persons that give a copyright notice, not a strike, we talk for a copyright notice, and they don't have a fault. They were correct, but in their back, or in some cases, some small segments of the video, Warner Music Group, WMG, or UMG, Universal Music Group, these are frequently used to block the videos who don't 100% correspond copyright material. So this video is a helping for the creators who respect the YouTube laws, but they have some small problems on their video. So I don't think it's fair that YouTube blocked the save feature, because YouTube actually, when you blur the video, your video online, it's very heavy to blur it. It's some kind of weird algorithm with a program to blur it online. They actually want you to save it in a new file. They don't overwrite it or hold on to your blurring online. And I don't think this is very good, because you can blur your video on your computer and re-upload it by yourself. YouTubers, this was the clip that Warner Music Group take advantage of the monetization. It was online, public, and monetized. The monetization was not for me, because Warner Music Group and Universal Music Group saw Gabriela Cilmi tweet about me in the background. So I had to disable this video and republished, and I had the luck and I got to say a big thanks to you guys because you helped me make that video famous and helping 3 people. So here's the idea how I did monetize online this video, because I cannot go into the editor and trim or add blur. I clicked on add blur. Even if I get blurred, Gabriela Chilmi, you see here it's blurred. Well, if I didn't have the save button, this is the problem. I had the option revert to original and save as new video. This was the 2 options I had. The save button I didn't have. Let's take a new video of mine and go in the editor. I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. And there are people, they are saying, well, you talk a lot. I talk a lot to help you guys to understand the idea, because those people who skip this video ask directly how to do this instead of watching. So it's best to watch. So custom blurring, let's edit. Let's suppose here we had an ad or something we want to blur to make this video 100% copyright legal. When the video is blocked, this is partially blocked, but in other video of mine, which had, I don't know, 800,000 views, it been blocked by SME. It's been totally blocked. So you see here, copyright owners can choose to block video YouTubes that contain their content. Okay, they choose it to block it. Even I saw them that it's a video that describes functions in the TV and not the content that it's in the background on that TV channel. They didn't want to hear from this. And you see here the video is blocked. It blocked the video, and this is the section from 3 minutes 90 seconds to 4 minutes and 12 seconds. In this situation, you will not have the save button. It will not let you make the modification. I didn't have the save button. This is the tricky part. So what can you do? You have the first thing, you can remove the entire section, but if I will remove the entire section, the idea was in that section. I don't know how this organization finds exactly where the clip is the most important, and on those sections it sends to you the visibility. It blocks your video. Damn it, it makes you a copyright notice exactly, or it demonetizes your video. Okay, so my video was blocked, right? Okay, and I didn't have the save button. So what can I do? I didn't want to remove the minutes between 3 and 19 and 4 and 12. I didn't want, because in that section was the idea, was the main idea, let's say, in the video. So let's suppose that this video with Rovetta Compact Power Cyclonic is this video. Let's suppose, to prove my point and show you the idea. So we got to remove a small section between 3:19 and 4:12. Let's identify a small section where is no voice, where we need a 2 seconds when in this segment to find where it's silent, or when you don't talk, where you can do this when you're talking, but it's best for your video to find the silent part wherever you want that is not very important to the video. So let's say I want to take out the part, I hope I'm not getting this wrong, and use the extender like this. I hope I'm not getting this wrong. Okay, I removed the part when I said I hope I'm not getting this wrong. I didn't think this part is efficient to me. So I am in this part, in this segment. I made a modification, 2-second modification. Now click done. The video is saved. It removed that part, and the algorithm recognized that you remove a part from this. But you made the blurring, yeah? You made the blurring and then you trim it. This is the order. Custom blurring, you may make your video 100% legal and then make your trim. And then guys, when you make the 2-second trim, you will see the save button appears. My video was 100% legal and I didn't have problems anymore, and was the entire video except 2 seconds, those 2 seconds that you remove. But you remove those seconds, not a minute, like it is over here, that content found during 3/19 and 4/12. So this idea will help the content creators, the correct people that respect YouTube policies. Guys, make your blurring. I know it's not a good program to blur when you blur it online. I know this is very difficult to make a custom blurring. This is a program that you can use it online, but do the blurring to be 100%, because it will the algorithm will look, and the organization will look to see if your video is corresponding the demands of YouTube and their demands of legal policies and whatever. So guys, basically this is the idea. It works, you can do this. Please be fair to YouTube, respect their policies, try with your content to be 100% legal. Now I taking into consideration when I present a TV to change the station entirely, would let my TV screen blank to avoid the copyright notice. But for those creators who misstep, some public figures, some video stars left on the background, where I don't know what this copyright organization, Warner Music Group or Universal Music Group sees in your video. If are a couple of seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds in your video, well, you can do this trick to help you let your video online with the number of views you've grown actually to, until you get the notice from these organizations. Thank you for watching, guys. If you think this video was helpful, thumbs up, and you know what to do. Subscribe that button, put the notification bell, because we have a lot of crazy ideas. I'm the Crazy Romanian for you iTechnology reviewers. You got to love technology, because technology is part of our lives. See you guys, bye, have a good day.